Diversifying a $400,000 investment in Gold IRA. Gold IRAs are a solid way to protect your wealth from inflation and market fluctuations. However, diversifying a $400,000 investment in a Gold IRA requires thoughtful planning to ensure long-term growth and security. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are key factors to consider when creating a Gold IRA portfolio. 1. Types of gold eligible for IRAs. Not all gold products qualify for a Gold IRA. The IRS requires gold to meet a minimum purity of 99.5% and come from accredited sources. Common options include gold coins. Examples include the American Gold Eagle, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf, and Australian Kangaroo. Gold bars must also be 99.5% pure, available in various sizes. 2. Diversifying between coins and bars. Coins, easier to trade and highly liquid, though they often come with higher premiums due to minting costs. Bars, larger, cost-effective investments with lower premiums but less liquidity. A mix of both can provide flexibility and cost efficiency. 3. Allocating investments in gold and other precious metals. While gold is the cornerstone of a Gold IRA, diversifying with other precious metals enhances portfolio stability. Suggested allocations include gold, 60 to 70%, main protection against inflation. Silver, 15 to 25%, more volatile but offers growth potential. Platinum or palladium, 10 to 15%, industrial uses with long-term appreciation potential. 4. Balancing risk and growth. To strike the right balance between risk and growth. Physical gold versus ETFs. Physical gold offers security, while ETFs provide exposure to price movements without storage issues. Bullion versus numismatic coins. Bullion is simpler, while numismatic coins may offer additional value due to rarity. Storage solutions. Ensure your Gold IRA is stored in IRS-approved depositories, with options for segregated or commingled storage. By carefully selecting a combination of coins, bars, and other precious metals, you can build a Gold IRA that protects your wealth while offering growth potential. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.